Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that gold is currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly perspective, we can see that gold this month was extremely volatile. We have seen the price has crossed this all-time high. This huge liquidity area triggered that liquidity and then rejected towards the downside. Now, with that rejection, we saw that initially gold has tested this monthly support level and then had a bounce. The price again has come back to the same level, and we see that buyers again buying this market without creating a new lower low. As we see back to back two times bounce, we might see now a bit more upside on the lower time frame on gold. Now, if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective, there was previous week there was a long bearish candle with a healthy body and long week, and as expected this week so far we have seen that with this break the price already feel that long week, and the price again going up for a pullback creating a higher low. As the price going up for a pullback, we could even see gold again coming back to this weekly opening and closing where there is a high liquidity, and also this is a very important level of support along with this long week candle. It's the support of this long week candle acting here as a resistance, and we could see even today gold is going up to test this level from the weekly perspective, and then we could see rejection. If we look at the daily, what we see that from the daily perspective, yesterday there was a massive liquidity gap along the zone, and if we look at this daily resistance level on gold, we see that this is a resistance zone on the daily time frame, and this daily resistance has broken to the upside, and again the price rejected from this resistance to the downside. What I think that as we see the price already creating a smooth series of lower high, and there is a liquidity gap, but I think the price might go up to test this level again, as there is an imbalance in that zone which is also aligning with this important support term resistance along with this trend line. And I think that from that zone we could see again a rejection or even break to the upside for further liquidity grab. If we look at further lower time frame from the intraday perspective, we see that gold, after creating back-to-back two dodges, the price started to reject towards the upside. Now, this current session candles, as you can see, still 1 hour 32 minutes remaining, and already creating a pattern for a bullish move. We see that there is a liquidity grab here. It's a sign that gold is now preparing for a bullish move to the upside. What I think that if we readjust this trend line on the 4 hour, we could see gold again testing this resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, which is turning also resistance, and this is an imbalance in the market. And I think that from that zone we could see continuation to the upside or even breaking down again or even ranging in that level. So for the time being we can expect gold to go bullish in that zone on the lower time frame. And if we look at further lower time frame on the 15-minute chart, we see that for this move we could have seen a potential reversal in that zone. You can see there is an inverted head and shoulder on the 15 minutes. The price completely broken out of that inverted head and shoulder. Now, as you know that during the lifetime of this 4 hour candle, we could see the price again coming down for a deeper pullback on the 5 minutes or 15 minutes. You will be waiting for an entry on this level. As soon as you see on the lower time frame gold has come back down for a deeper liquidity grab, we will consider going long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.